How's it going, guys? Forged Internals here. I just picked up this bad boy for around $200. It's a Nissan twin cam, 16 valve, 2.4. It's an Ultima GLE. It's pretty dope. It's decently quick, but kind of want to upgrade the cams. As you can see, I already took the exhaust manifold off, just hung that there. So I'm about to take off this valve cover, and then we can really take a look in the engine. So let's do this. Alright guys, one more bolt and this is ready. Don't worry, let the pro do it.
Okay.
Alright guys. Piece of cake. As you can tell, it's kind of brown, kind of goldish. I actually put gold flakes inside my oil just so it has better wear characteristics if you do that. It's pretty cool. Let's take this gasket off. Sometimes they'll get stuck. Nissan's fucking douchebags and they do that shit. Man, fuck this shit. Alright, gonna get the spark plug. These things, you don't need them. Everyone says you need them. Dude, fuck these. Alright guys, we're gonna replace the cams on these. All you really need to do this, to begin with, is a hammer. That's it. You'd think that you just take off these bolts and you take off the caps and you're fine, and then the cam pops out. No. Nissan, these are just for show. Just to sell the car. It's pretty annoying, yeah, I know. You have to hit it from here forward. You have to go at the right order. It will not work if you do it the opposite way. I promise this. I've worked on these things multiple times. All right, let's get started. You got to get a solid whack right there. You don't want to hit the cam. You don't want to hit the lobe. You want to just hit right there. Let's move that out the way. All right, we got this. As you can see, as soon as I hit that right there, like I said, these screws, nothing. They're useless. They're not actually screwed into the block. Pops right up, easy. Throw them back there, easy storage. I'll grab them later. Feel that blackout. Alright guys, you see we got from the back to the front. These are our last ones. As soon as we hit that, it pops right off. There's that one. There's the last lobe for the intake cam. It's pretty raunchy. You can see that's probably why it was knocking. So, I mean, I'd run it. Alright, let's see. The only thing is, next we gotta get this out, which is gonna take a little bit of tooling around with it. Fine. This has got to get out of the way. Perfect. All right, guys, you can tell we got the intake cam off. This chain, I got the cam. It's a race cam. I got it from Comp Cam, so no one's actually got one from them for a Nissan 16 valve 2.4 yet. So they told me if they try it out and see how it is, they'll give it to me for free, do a review on it and that kind of stuff. That's why I'm here. That one, you actually don't need this chain. You can just tuck it away in there and you'll be good. All right, now let's set this cam in. Like I said, I talked to Comp Cams. This is a dual gear camshaft. Like I said, you don't really need that chain. Just let it sit on there. All the energy this one emits from being used off of this chain, it just sends over to this cam, and that's what really gets it. It's super high tech. They only told me that all I need to do is use 2 camshaft caps. That's it. Any 2, don't matter which one. Just put them on either way. Give them a little tap. Make sure they sit in there pretty nice. Yep, I think I'll be good. Yep, all right, and let's get everything back together and get this thing started. And we're done. Hi guys, like I said, talked to Calm Cams again. They said that since this cam has such a high lift, it's like they said 1100 lift. It's pretty dope. I'd have to change the speedometer in it. I don't want to change the speedometer. It's the way the cam reacts with the tire ratios and everything like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carefully take this black glass off, and I'm gonna take that and then move it. They said it'd only be like a 5 to 10 mile per hour difference, so I'm gonna kind of guesstimate it. So, all right, let's do this. Careful now. This will be a little bit better. I'll bend it a little bit. All right, guys. So I moved it, like you can see, to the 10. I can always go lower, but you can't go higher. You know what I mean? So all my tach's ready. All my gauges are ready. So let's get this thing started.
I think you broke your tachometer.
Nah, dude, that's all performance.
Oh.
All right, let's get this thing started. Remember, seatbelts first.
Safety first, guys.
Just my seat. All right, I'm good. All right, dude, I'm so excited. All right, let's step on the gas. I gotta put it. I gotta get it all nice. This thing gets stuck sometimes. All right, cool, I got it. All right, let's get this thing started. Remember, like I said, pump up the carburetor, get it all running with gas. All right, foot on the brake and the clutch. All right, ready? Nothing. Did I forget something? I forgot to turn on my AC. Dude, this thing runs perfect. Purrs like a kitten. Alright, gotta do some mad pulling real quick. Alright, get it going. I suggest you get one of these cams. This thing pulls hard. Pulls like it has VTEC or something. You can get them from Comp Cams. The part number is D0PE. They're super dope cams. This thing, oh my gosh. It's like a new Honda.